National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard in Nantucket. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts out 20 nautical miles. Ocean waters from Provincetown to Nantucket from 20 to 35 nautical miles offshore until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm, capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater, located over the coastal waters south of Nantucket, moving northeast at 30 knots. Locations impacted include the coastal waters south of Nantucket and the coastal waters east of Nantucket. Strong wind gusts and briefly rough seas can be expected. Head to safe harbor immediately, or stay close to shore until the storm passes.